These are 10 car maintenance tasks you can master yourself and save hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars every year. The average American now spends over $1,160 annually on vehicle upkeep and repairs, but nearly half of all car owners have discovered they can handle basic maintenance without ever setting foot in a repair shop. The numbers tell a remarkable story. DIY automotive maintenance has exploded from 34% to 47% of vehicle owners since 2019. This isn't just about saving money, though the financial impact is staggering. Car maintenance costs have surged 43.6% in just the past 6 years, with repair shop labor rates now averaging $142 per hour nationwide and climbing as high as $151 in some states. The DIY automotive market has grown to $8.09 billion and shows no signs of slowing down. What's driving this shift? Pure economics. When you're paying $75 to $180 per hour for labor, plus parts markups reaching 60% at dealerships, even simple 5-minute tasks become expensive propositions. Here's what the industry doesn't want you to know. Most preventive maintenance requires no special skills, minimal tools, and can be completed in your driveway. Let's start with the absolute easiest money saver that literally anyone can master in under 10 minutes. Your engine's air filter is basically a paper barrier standing between your motor and every particle of dirt, dust, and debris on the road. When it gets clogged, your engine works harder, runs hotter, and burns more fuel. Replacing it yourself takes 5 minutes and saves you up to $45 every single time. Here's how ridiculously simple this is. Pop your hood, locate the airbox, it's usually a large plastic or metal housing near the engine, and open it up. Most use simple clips or screws. Inside, you'll find the old filter. Note which direction it faces, pull it out, and slide in the new one the same way. Close the box, and you're done. The cost difference is laughable. A quality air filter costs $15 to $20 if you buy it yourself. That same filter at a shop runs $40 to $60, and some places charge up to $75 when you factor in their markup and labor charges for this utterly basic task. Do this once a year, and you've already saved enough to buy dinner for two. Lead auto test technician at Consumer Reports puts it perfectly. If your car is leaking fluids or making an abnormal noise, get it checked out pronto, because timely action could save you a lot of money. But for straightforward maintenance like air filters, you're throwing money away by paying someone else. If you can handle an air filter, you can definitely tackle its cousin, the cabin air filter. This one cleans the air coming into your car's interior through the vents. When it's dirty, your air conditioning works harder and you breathe nastier air. Most cabin air filters hide behind the glove box, though some manufacturers tuck them into the cowling or center console area. The process is identical. Remove the access panel, note the airflow direction arrows on the old filter, slide it out, and install the new one the same way. The savings here are even more dramatic. A cabin air filter costs about $20 if you buy it yourself, but shops charge up to $100 for this simple swap when you factor in their labor rates. Some quick lube places treat this as pure profit, marking up a $15 filter to $75 and charging another $25 for the 2 minutes of labor. Cabin air filters should be changed annually, just like engine air filters. If you live in a dusty area or have allergies, consider changing them twice a year. Either way, you're looking at $50 to $80 in annual savings just by spending 10 minutes in your driveway instead of an hour at the shop. This one costs you absolutely nothing to do yourself, yet saves you money in 3 different ways: fuel costs, tire replacement costs, and potentially your life. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration tracks nearly 11,000 tire-related crashes annually, with 563 fatalities in 2022 alone. Many of these accidents stem from something completely preventable: incorrect tire pressure. Checking tire pressure takes 5 minutes once a month and requires only a $10 tire gauge. The recommended pressure is printed right on your driver's side door jamb, not on the tire sidewall, which shows maximum pressure and is typically much higher than what you actually need. Here's what most people don't realize. Underinflated tires don't just increase your crash risk. They also cut your fuel economy significantly and wear out much faster. Properly inflated tires can improve gas mileage by up to 3%, and when gas prices hover around $3.50 per gallon, that adds up quickly for the average driver covering 15,000 miles annually. Even with modern tire pressure monitoring systems, experts recommend manual checks monthly. Those dashboard warning lights only trigger when pressure drops 25% below recommended levels, which is far too late to prevent damage or poor performance. Windshield wipers are consumable items, just like air filters. The rubber deteriorates from sun, ice, snow, and general use. Most manufacturers recommend replacement every 6 to 12 months, depending on your climate. Swapping wiper blades ranks among the absolute easiest maintenance tasks. Most modern blades use simple clip-on attachments that require no tools whatsoever. Lift the wiper arm, press the release tab, slide off the old blade, and snap on the new one. The entire job takes less than 10 minutes for both sides. The cost comparison is stark. Quality replacement blades cost $7 to $20 each. Having a shop install them adds $30 to $50 in labor charges for what amounts to a minute of actual work per blade. Some quick lube chains charge even more, treating wiper replacement as an easy upsell opportunity. Poor visibility through streaky, worn wipers isn't just annoying, it's dangerous. New blades dramatically improve your ability to see clearly in rain, snow, or even when washing your windshield. This is safety equipment you can't afford to neglect, but you also can't afford to overpay for such a simple swap. Modern vehicles rely on multiple fluids to operate safely and efficiently. Engine oil, transmission fluid, coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer solution all need periodic attention. Checking and topping off these fluids costs virtually nothing in time or money, yet shops charge $30 to $100 for fluid inspections and top-ups. Only check fluids when the vehicle sits on level ground. Avoid overfilling, and clean around caps and dipsticks before checking to keep contaminants out. Each fluid has minimum and maximum marks, so keep levels between those markers. Most fluids rarely need frequent topping off in a well-maintained vehicle. If you find yourself constantly adding fluid, that indicates a leak requiring professional diagnosis. But for normal top-ups between service intervals, there's no reason to pay shop labor rates for something this basic. Engine oil gets the most attention, but don't neglect the others. Low brake fluid can indicate worn brake pads, which gives you an early warning that saves money compared to waiting for grinding noises. Low coolant might signal a small leak that's cheap to fix now but expensive if ignored. Power steering fluid prevents costly pump damage, and windshield washer fluid is pure safety equipment. Here's where the debate gets interesting. Oil changes represent the most controversial DIY maintenance topic, with passionate arguments on both sides. The financial reality depends on your specific situation, tools, and disposal options. Doing your own oil change requires an initial investment in tools, jack stands, wrenches, an oil drain pan, and funnel, typically costing $30 to $100. After that, you're looking at $25 to $50 per change for oil and filter, depending on your vehicle's requirements and oil type preference. Professional oil changes range from $40 to $150, with quick lube places at the lower end and dealerships commanding premium prices. The math works in your favor if you keep your vehicle for several years and already own basic tools. But here's what makes this controversial. Oil changes at reputable shops include safety inspections that can catch problems early. Adrian Talamantes of AAA Auto Repair Centers notes that these inspections often identify issues before they become expensive repairs. The counterargument comes from DIY advocates who point out that many quick lube operations use oil changes as loss leaders to sell higher margin services. Some shops have earned reputations for finding problems that don't actually exist, turning a $25 oil change into hundreds of dollars in questionable repairs. If you choose the DIY route, the annual savings potential is substantial. With oil changes every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, most drivers need 3 to 4 changes annually. At $25 to $75 savings per change, you're looking at $75 to $300 in annual savings once you own the necessary tools. Car batteries fail without much warning, often leaving drivers stranded at the worst possible moments. Learning to replace your own battery ensures you're never stuck waiting for roadside assistance, plus saves significant money on markup and labor. Battery replacement involves basic safety procedures but requires no special skills. Always disconnect the negative terminal first, then positive. When installing the new battery, reverse the order, positive first, then negative. You might see a few small sparks when making connections, which is completely normal. Batteries typically cost $80 to $400, depending on your vehicle's requirements and the battery quality level you choose. Shops add $50 to $200 in labor charges for what amounts to 15 minutes of straightforward work. Some places also impose environmental disposal fees or try to sell battery maintenance products you don't need. The real benefit goes beyond immediate savings. When you know how to change your own battery, you can replace it proactively, rather than waiting for complete failure. Most batteries show declining performance for months before dying completely, and replacing them on your schedule prevents inconvenient breakdowns. Battery testing tools cost under $20 and can help you monitor battery health. When your battery tests weak but still starts the car, you can replace it at your convenience rather than on the side of the road in February. Spark plugs ignite the fuel-air mixture in your engine's cylinders. Worn plugs reduce performance, fuel economy, and can cause misfires that damage other components. Replacing them yourself saves substantial money while maintaining peak engine performance. Modern spark plugs last much longer than older designs. Copper plugs need replacement every 10,000 to 20,000 miles and cost $2 to $8 each. Platinum plugs handle 60,000 to 100,000 miles and run $8 to $15 each. Top-tier iridium plugs last 100,000 to 120,000 miles but cost $15 to $40 each. Shop charges for spark plug replacement vary dramatically based on engine design. Simple 4-cylinder engines might cost $225 for professional replacement, while V6 and V8 engines can run $350 to $400 due to accessibility challenges and labor time. The DIY cost depends entirely on your engine configuration and plug choice. A 4-cylinder engine needs 4 plugs, while some V8s require up to 16. At $3 to $40 per plug, plus basic tools if you don't own them, you're looking at $50 to $180 for parts and tools, versus $225 to $400 at a shop. The complication level varies by vehicle. Some engines provide easy access to all plugs, while others require removing intake manifolds or other components. Research your specific vehicle before starting this project, as some modern engines make spark plug access deliberately difficult to encourage professional service. Brake maintenance represents one of the highest stakes DIY projects, both financially and safety-wise. Brake pad replacement can save $260 to $560 per job, but only if you're comfortable working with safety-critical systems and have the proper tools and knowledge. Brake pads typically last 30,000 to 50,000 miles, depending on driving habits and conditions. Replacement involves removing wheels, compressing brake calipers, and ensuring proper installation of new pads. The process requires basic mechanical skills but isn't overly complex for most vehicles. Brake pads cost $20 to $40 for a complete set if you buy them yourself. Professional installation adds $300 to $600 in labor charges, making this one of the highest markup services in automotive maintenance. However, brake work demands absolute attention to safety. Improperly installed brake pads can cause brake failure, which creates obvious life-threatening risks. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration reports that brake-related problems contribute to 22% of vehicle crashes caused by mechanical failure. If you're mechanically inclined and have proper tools, including jack stands rated for your vehicle's weight, brake pad replacement offers excellent savings potential. But this isn't a project for beginners or anyone uncomfortable with safety-critical repairs. The money saved isn't worth the risk if you're not completely confident in your abilities. Burned-out bulbs create safety hazards and traffic citations, yet replacing them costs almost nothing if you do it yourself. Most bulb replacements require only basic hand tools and take 10 to 30 minutes depending on your vehicle's design. Halogen bulbs typically cost $15 to $25 each if you buy them directly. Having a shop replace them adds $25 to $50 in labor charges, plus any shop minimum fees. Some dealerships charge even more, treating bulb replacement as a profit opportunity rather than basic maintenance. The process varies by vehicle, but most involve accessing the bulb housing from behind the headlight assembly, disconnecting the electrical connector, removing the old bulb, and installing the new one. Some vehicles require removing the entire headlight assembly or accessing bulbs from the wheel well, but these represent exceptions rather than the rule. LED bulbs cost more initially but last much longer than traditional halogen bulbs and use less power. While some vehicles require specific bulb types for legal compliance, many allow LED upgrades that reduce long-term maintenance needs. Carrying spare bulbs makes sense for frequently failing items like headlights and taillights. A burned-out headlight can result in traffic citations and creates real safety risks during night driving. Having spares and knowing how to replace them quickly can prevent both problems. These 10 maintenance tasks represent just the beginning of potential DIY savings. Tire rotation saves $20 to $50 every 6 months. Fuse replacement costs $1.05 versus shop minimum charges. Serpentine belt replacement takes 15 minutes with automatic tensioners standard on most modern vehicles. Conservative estimates suggest annual savings of $400 to $1,000 for drivers who handle basic maintenance themselves. A CarParts.com survey found that 33% of DIY maintainers save over $1,000 annually, with some reporting savings exceeding $2,000. But the benefits extend beyond money. DIY maintenance builds mechanical understanding that helps you communicate more effectively with professionals when complex repairs arise. You'll recognize when shops recommend unnecessary work and can make informed decisions about major repairs. Monthly tire pressure checks reveal slow leaks before they cause blowouts. Regular fluid monitoring identifies leaks when they're minor and inexpensive to fix. Changing your own oil means actually looking at its condition rather than trusting someone else's assessment. The tools required for basic maintenance cost less than a single major repair. A decent jack stands, basic wrenches, and specialty items like oil filter wrenches typically run $100 to $200 total. These tools last decades and pay for themselves within the first year of regular use. Modern vehicles are more reliable than ever, but they're also more expensive to maintain when problems develop. Learning basic maintenance skills doesn't just save money, it provides insurance against unexpected repair costs and gives you control over your vehicle's care. The DIY automotive maintenance trend reflects a broader shift towards self-reliance in an era of rising costs and declining service quality. When repair shop labor rates average $142 per hour, and simple tasks carry enormous markups, basic mechanical skills become essential financial tools. These 10 tasks alone can save you hundreds annually, while building confidence in mechanical understanding. Master these basics, and you'll join the growing community of drivers who've discovered that taking care of your car doesn't require surrendering your wallet to someone else. Your car needs regular maintenance to run safely and efficiently. Whether you pay shop rates or do the work yourself determines how much that maintenance costs. Learn these skills once, and you'll save money every month for as long as you own vehicles. The choice is yours. Keep paying markup rates for simple tasks, or invest a few hours learning skills that will save you thousands over time.